Or the hole in the dome. Or are you...
What are you talking about? This isn't new. We've been at war for centuries.
Yeah. They disguised it as religion.
They just want the land.
Doesn't matter the reason. It's in their nature. Violence, deceit, destruction. They live off of it.
Not all of it. It's just... It's just a lower vibration.
That's
of
where they
it.
get you. Lower, higher, it's all inclusive. We bounce through all the vibrations all the time. It's all one. We need the violence. We need the bloodshed.
No, you need violence.
And you don't?
I am violence. I don't need violence. I don't seek violence. It seeks me out. I'll rather be in a tree smoking some weed.
Oh, you a mercenary?
I'm God. You God.
I'm the morning star.
You took the wrong path.
You sound insane. I've been at the top of my class in the school of life. The traffic signs take direction from me.
That's why the path's all fucked up.
Hey, it's getting cold in here.
Yeah. Put them feet together. Rub it and make a fire. You do know how to make a fire, don't you?
Yeah, the Anunnaki had to teach us something to survive here on this prison planet.